What's up, guys? Picked up a brick of this standard velocity. The gun shop had some, so there it is. I also picked up in another place these new Ruger rounds. These ARXs. This has got like some kind of a polymer head on them that's got a mix of copper and polymer. I've watched a few reviews on them. They seem to be pretty good stuff. The ballistics gel test on them came out a whole lot better than what I expected them to. And they're, I'd say if you hit something hard with them, they'll just frag. So these are screaming little rounds. If I can get one of them daggone things out of there. It's the 45s. Pretty ingenious little deal if they work real good. But like I said, every video I've watched on the ballistics gel test, these things were doing what they were supposed to do. I haven't seen one blow up yet doing a test. They've been going right through boards and the ballistics gel and the water jugs. So I just picked them up. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. Who knows? As light as they are and as fast as they run. Let's see if I can find the ballistics thing on this. I don't know if that'll focus or not. Thing's running 1307 feet per second. 45, you know, that's pretty damn good. Really close to, well, I won't say doubling it, but you know, it's a 2/3 faster. Anyway, out of the 9, they're running 1445, and that's pretty damn fast. But you're looking at a 80 grain on the 9mm and 115 grain or 118 grain one. Shit, my eyes are getting so bad. I got some bad glasses on. But anyway, they're light. And they ain't that bad, considering what you pay for some defensive rounds. They're right on par. Maybe just a tad a little cheaper. But, I mean, you got 25 rounds in a 9mm box and 20 in the 45. So that's my score. Met them. Check your PM. Same goes for 6.4 Hemiel. Check your PM here in a little bit. I'll be sending this stuff out here pretty soon. Probably won't be until Wednesday or Thursday, but I will have it in the mail one of the 2 days. I'll let you know. You guys take care. Shoot straight. Hope you're finding what you need. Later.